What's up guys, it's Chris, Auto Guerra. As you can clearly tell, there's a lot of snow outside, so you only know what that means. We're gonna go out and meet my friend at Home Depot, and we're gonna have some fun in the snow. All right, so he said he was at Home Depot, and I'm pretty sure it's this one over here. I don't know yet. There's not too many Home Depots around this area. The parking lot that we were supposed to go down was over there somewhere. So hopefully he's here. If he's not, well, that's gonna suck. We need to figure out where he's at. There he is. Look at that sexy beast. There he is. Oh shit, brother. You got a whole pack of people in the car. All right, I'll follow you.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross.
I mean, if I get snow on me, that's no problem. Okay.
Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard.
All right, guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
With the sway bars now, even drifting, it feels way different.
Seriously? Like how much of a difference?
Like, it just feels really stiff. Before the lean would kind of help me judge when to hit the gas.
I wonder what I'm gonna be able to do with my car. Babe Nation?
Hit live. Hey,
What's up?
I cleared the snow out for you, so you can probably go now.
For real?
Yeah.
It's my turn?
Mm-hmm.
My turn it is.